Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So today we will have Standard 8 Geography, Chapter 5, Part 2, Minerals and Power Resources. And today we will see the distribution of minerals. Okay, children. So first we will see iron ore. Iron ore is most commonly and abundantly available minerals. It can be hammered and rolled, cast to change into wires, welded and combined with other metals to form an alloy. Alloy is a mixture of more than one or two minerals is called alloy. The best iron is hematite. It is the best quality of iron ore. As you see in the picture, this picture gives the example of iron ore. Iron is mixed with other material to form and give steels. Iron is combined with carbon and other materials to form different types of steels. Steel is used for world distributions. The next mineral we will see copper. It is largely used for making wires in the electrical industries due to its property of electrical conductivity. World distribution of copper is USA, Chile, Russia, Canada, Zambia, Zaire, Peru, Poland and India are the main producer. In India, copper rivers are found in Jharkhand, Jhunjhunu and Alwar in Rajasthan, Kamban districts in Andhra Pradesh and in some parts of the Karnataka. Now bauxite. It is the ore from which aluminum is extracted. After iron, bauxite is the second largest mineral. This light metal is used for making aeroplanes, in construction, electrical industry, manufacturing utensils and paints. Bauxites, when processed into aluminum, used a very large quantity of electric power. As a result, it is located near the power station. Moreover, processing at the mining site reduces the transport cost of these bulky raw materials. You can see this picture. This picture is the example of bauxite minerals. Manganese. It is used for making steel and alloys. It is also used to make enamels. World distribution of manganese are Russia, India, South Africa, Brazil, China, Morocco and Ghana. Distribution in India is Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh. As you can see this picture, this is the example of manganese. Tin. It is normally used for plating tin steels of steel, galvanizing and soldering. World distributions are Malaysia is the largest producer of tin. China, Bolivia, Indonesia, Thailand, Brazil and Russia are the other important producers. Distribution in India is Chhattisgarh. As you can see this picture gives the example of tin, and it is used for making utensils. It can be used for different purposes also. Gold. Gold is one of the most precious minerals. It is commonly used for making jewelry. World distribution of golds are China, South Africa, Canada, USA, Mexico, Western Australia, Zimbabwe, and Ghana. The gold production in India are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. As you can see the picture in yellow color, this is the example of gold. Now we will see mica. It is bad conductor of heat and electricity. It is important in electrical goods and paints industry. It is found in sheets. The world distribution of mica are China, India, and South Africa. Distribution of India are in Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Bhilwara district in Rajasthan. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Just you can see the picture. These pictures are example of mica. Now we will see limestone. Limestone is used in smelting of iron and in the production of cement. France is the well known for limestone deposit. Distribution in India. It is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Tamil Nadu. Diamond. Diamond is the most precious mineral in the world. Also, it is commonly used for making jewelry. It can be used for cutting glass and drilling hard rocks. World distribution of diamonds are South America, Africa, and Australia. The distribution in India are: it is found in Panna mines in Madhya Pradesh and Golconda mines in Andhra Pradesh. You can see this picture. This picture is the example of diamond, which is very shining and pretty too. Salt. Halite is the mineral's name of a common salt. It is used in the food and chemical industries. World distribution of salts are China, USA, India, and Germany. Also in India, distribution of salts are Rajasthan. We are one of the leading producer of and exporter of salt in the world. Okay children, so I will stop it here today, and we will see the next topics in the next video. Children, whatever I taught you on this only, write 2 questions as a homework. The first question: what is the difference between smelting and mining? Again I repeat. First question: what is the difference between smelting and mining? Second question: What are the world distribution country of gold? Again I repeat, what are the world distribution country of gold? Name 5. Children, whatever lessons we have completed, write all those question answers with the objectives and submit your copy in the school. And you can take the copy just after a week, the day you submit the copy. Thank you children for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.